That used car you're buying? It's probably hiding rust damage worth thousands. Dealers know exactly where to hide it, and you're about to learn their secrets. I'm exposing the 7 spots they pray you never check. Let's go. In 2026, rust damage is the #1 hidden defect that tanks resale value overnight. A car that looks perfect on the lot can have thousands in structural rust you'll never see. Here's how to find what they're hiding before you sign anything. Tip number 1, check the wheel wells. Pull back the plastic liner and look inside. Dealers love fresh undercoating spray here. If it looks brand new, that's your first red flag. Scratch the undercoating with your key. If rust flakes fall off, they covered something bad. Tip number 2, door jambs and hinges. Open every door and look at the bottom edges. This is where water pools and rust starts. Check where the door meets the body. See those tiny bubbles under the paint? That's rust cancer spreading underneath right now. Tip number 3, the rocker panels. These run below the doors on both sides. Bring a magnet with you. Seriously, run along the entire rocker panel slowly. If the magnet doesn't stick or falls off, that's Bondo filler covering major rust holes. Tip number 4, trunk floor and spare tire well. Pop the trunk and lift the carpet. Water leaks here from tail lights, and rust eats through the floor completely unnoticed. Press down on the metal. If it feels soft or bends easily, walk away immediately. Tip number 5, frame rails and crossmembers. Get under the car with a flashlight. Look for surface rust versus scaling rust. Surface rust is orange and light colored. Scaling rust is dark, flaky, and comes off in chunks. That's structural damage forming. Tap the frame with a screwdriver. Solid metal rings. Rotted metal sounds dead and hollow. Tip number 6, suspension mounting points. Check where the struts bolt to the body. Rust here is catastrophic. The suspension can literally tear through the weakened metal. Look for cracks, bubbling paint, or fresh welds. Any of these mean expensive structural issues. Tip number 7, exhaust system hangers and heat shields. These rust out fast and fall off. A rusty exhaust means the car lived in a salt state or wasn't maintained properly. If the exhaust is rusted through, imagine what the hidden parts of the frame look like. Here's the dealer trick they don't want you to know about in 2026. They spray rust converter on everything before listing the car. Makes rust look like fresh paint. Then they hit it with rubberized undercoating to seal it. You can't see anything underneath. Always check the vehicle history for previous registration states. Northern states equal rust damage. Pro move. Schedule inspections on sunny days after the car sits outside for hours. Heat makes paint expand and rust bubbles show up way more clearly in direct light. Bring a small wire brush and scrape test areas they can't see easily from above. Warning, fresh paint on only certain panels is the biggest red flag you'll ever see. That means they repaired something major and didn't bother repainting the whole car evenly. Check the paint thickness with a gauge. Anything over 6 mils means layers of cover-up work. Always demand a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic you trust before buying. Spending $200 now saves you from $5,000 in rust repairs next year. If the dealer refuses an independent inspection, that tells you everything you need to know. Quick recap. Always check wheel wells for fresh undercoating that's hiding rust damage. Use a magnet on rocker panels to detect Bondo filler covering major rust holes. Inspect the trunk floor and frame rails with a flashlight for scaling rust. Check suspension mounts for catastrophic rust that can cause structural failure soon. Always get an independent pre-purchase inspection before signing any purchase agreement ever. Save this video right now. You'll need it when you're standing on that dealer lot next week. Drop a comment with the worst rust damage you've ever seen on a used car. And follow for more dealer secrets they're praying you never figure out. See you next time.